The PC-3.11 is our entry-level model for heart rate-based training. Whether walking, jogging or at the gym, the PC-3.11 is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to monitor their heart rate. The heart rate monitor is simple to use and features an extremely clear two-line display. The top line displays the ECG accurate heart rate and the bottom line displays a stopwatch to the nearest tenth of a second. The PC-3.11 can also be used as a stopwatch without the chest belt. Available in pink, orange, green, blue and black, the PC-3.11 is the heart rate monitor that fits your lifestyle.